Hey, hello, Jack Tubbs from the J Team at Realty One in Surprise, Arizona, wishing you a fantastic Tuesday. Hope your day is going great. You're enjoying some of the beautiful sunshine here in the valley. Hey, I got a quick check-in with you today. I just want to talk to you a little about what the Fair Housing Administration or the Federal Housing Finance Agency has shared with us over the past week, is that they've raised the limit for FHA, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loans from $400,000 to $548,250. This is a huge increase. And those of you who want to take advantage of the FHA programs, the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loan programs, and the advantages that they have, such as a lower down payment, etc. Sometimes, depending on what kind of property that you buy, maybe there's even a 203K possibility in there. But now, as long as it's a conforming property, which means it's got to have windows that open and close, doors that lock, heating and cooling that works, water's got to be on, plumbing's got to work, all these other things that the FHA requires. As long as that home conforms with their standards, they'll loan up to $548,250, which means you can buy a lot more home on an FHA mortgage than you could in the past, which is great because of the advantages that the program offers, such as lower down payment, etc. The only thing that would be a disadvantage, and I want to remind you all now that all FHA loans now carry PMI for the life of the loan, and PMI is private mortgage insurance. And basically what that does is to make sure that based on the equity that you have in the home, they're going to ensure to make sure that should you default on your loan, that the lender who's taking on this FHA loan will receive at least 20% of whatever the value is or the equity of the house should be. So that means that they should have, if they're going to foreclose on you, that 80% of the value of the loan they should be able to clean once they sell the home, basically wash it out, because the home should cover that unless we have another crisis like we did back in, say, 2008, 2009, which we shouldn't, because lenders have been so much more strict on who they're going to give loans to. Their guidelines are so much more stringent than what they were back then. There's no doc loans anymore or anything like that. Everything's going to be based on credit score and income, not just income or just credit score alone. So we shouldn't see another housing crisis like that. Also, the CFPB is also going to make sure that nobody gets into a loan that they can't afford. So that's going to save a lot of those kinds of cases that we saw back in 2008, 9, and 10. But anyways, just be, those of you who are looking for maybe a slightly higher end home than what you're in, you want to take advantage of the FHA programs offered by Freddie Mae and Fannie Mac, you now can have a loan value of $548,250, which is up from $400,000, which was the limit of this year. That's what we're going to see next year. So great news. So once again, combined with all the great interest rates we're seeing right now, the FHA is willing to lend more, so that gives you a reason not to have to worry about, a larger down payment and the other benefits the program offers. The other thing is we want to keep an eye on our PMI. As soon as we have 20% equity, we want to refinance into a conventional. And since you already have 20% equity, it'll be that much more easier. But it is a great piece of news for those who have maybe not ready to qualify for a conventional loan, but you can qualify for the FHA because their credit requirements are a little bit lower than most conventional loans. Great news, you can buy more house under their program. So that's what I've got to share with you. Now, if you have any questions, if you need to talk to a loan officer, I've got a whole bunch of trusted ones that I work with. I can refer you to them. And also, if you have any questions about buying or about selling, please don't hesitate to call. You can reach me direct at 248-330-7972. That's 248-330-7972. Or you can email me, jack@thejteam.house. That's JACK at THE, the letter J, TEAM.house. Or you can call the office at 623-252-4061. That's 623-252-4061. Hey, this is Jack at the J Team from Realty One in Surprise, Arizona, wishing you all a fantastic Tuesday. Hope you have a fantastic one. And once again, please, if you have any questions about these new limits from the FHA, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Anyways, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow with more about what's going on in the Phoenix real estate market. Bye-bye.